Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to get Fiverr Quick View and so actually how to add the extension. But first guys, if you want, you can go down on this video in the comment section and click on the first comment that I pinned. This will bring you to my Fiverr and here you can get a YouTube logo and banner or a modern minimalist YouTube logo and banner for your YouTube channel. But now back to the video. Now first what you want to do here is actually type Chrome Store. You just want to go to the first one right here, the Chrome Web Store. Now up here, I'm actually going to type Fiverr Quick View. So you can go ahead and click on it. Then we're simply going to click Add to Chrome here. Click Add Extension. As you can see, it has been added here. And also immediately send you to your Fiverr. What's also included now is that you can actually do a registration form. So you can actually do first name, last name and your email and saying what business you are in and then register. That is actually quite optional. And I'm just going to close this. And so when we are in Fiverr here, you can actually go up here to extensions. As you can see, it's right here. You can also pin it. If you click this, it will be up here. Then of course, you can click on it and it will open up. You can also do manage extensions and it will be right here. So you can also go to details, disable it, or even eventually maybe you even remove it if you want to at some point. That's basically good to know to have a little bit extra information. But in any case, as you can see, it's very easy to do. Now in my next upcoming video, I'm actually going to go over how to use Fiverr Quick View, the extension. So if you're interested in a small tutorial on it, I'll show you how to actually use the stats and how to actually use it to your advantage while using Fiverr to get more orders, to rank better. Don't hesitate to check out that video. It will be up here in the right corner if you can check it out, or down in the description. In any case guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please, if you like, it would be really nice. Subscribe, also really nice. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye.